Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a bead unboxing for the month of January for the bargain bead box, and it's titled Romance. It says passionate red hues form the basis of our color palette this month with accents of purple and pink. Highlights include genuine garnet, crackled agate, quartz, and purple aventurine gemstones, while eco-friendly man-made coral and coral red shell pearls create a romantic look without damaging reefs. That's cool. Sparkling crystals and swirling antique copper findings complete the collection. So, I figured it was going to be with Valentine's Day coming up. Ooh, I like it already just from the bag. I am definitely a red girl and copper girl. I'm not much of a rose gold. When we got that 1 month, I did a lot to kind of put down the brightness of the rose gold. So let's get started. So number 1 is a 64 by 40 Chandelier Focal component. Okay. That's kind of cool. That's the back of it. It's got some holes up here, down here. You could use it either way probably. Actually, I kind of got some ideas for using it backwards because I always like to do something different. Okay, let me see. I'll put it over here. My desk is a mess here. And number 2, let me get all these organized. I'll get back. Okay, so we're back. So I already did number 1. Number 2 is a 1 meter of 3mm steel Rolo jewelry chain. Oh, pretty. Can never have enough chain, that's for sure. This is nice too. You can use it to dangle earrings from. You know, you cut the chain up and use it for a bunch of little things. It's just nice to have in your stash. Okay, number 3 is a 4-piece 22 by 19mm Chandelier Links. So there's 4 of these. These are nice. You can use them either way. They almost look like a little crown upside down like that. So, yeah, this is them. This is the other side. It's nice. Okay. Number 4 is a 42 by 39mm Medallion Pendant. Oh, this is pretty. This is very pretty. That's the back of it. I actually have an idea for doing something upside down and dangling something in this. Lord knows I will be busy this week. It's a nice, sturdy piece. Okay, number 5 is a 7-piece of 13mm 4-loop links. Oh, these are nice. They're double-sided. Connectors, there's 7 of them. Very pretty. Okay, number 6 is 4 sets of 18 by 13mm toggle clasps. No, you can never have too many of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, these are nice. Great for your stash. I go through a lot of these. Never seem to have enough. Number 7 is 10 pieces of 9mm Medallion Drops. Oh, these are nice. These are really cute. They almost look like a sun. Very pretty. They're not double-sided, but they're pretty. Number 8 is 50 pieces of 4mm corrugated bicone spacer beads. You can never have enough spacer beads. Oh, these are pretty. These are literally the first thing I go through every month in every box is my spacer beads. Oh, number 9 is approximately 7-inch strand of 4mm shell pearl man-made round beads in coral red. Oh, these are pretty. Very pretty. Match my my nails. Very pretty. Number 10 is approximately 17-inch strand of 3x2mm crystal rondelle beads in Flirty Mix. Woo-woo! These are pretty. You can see the shimmer on them. Very pretty. Okay. Number 11 is 40 pieces of 4mm faceted cube cylinder crystal beads in Alexandrite shimmer. Ooh, oh, I thought these were on a string. These almost went flying. Oh, these are really pretty. Very pretty. Very pretty. Definitely put these to good use. Okay. Number 12 is a 16-inch strand of 6x4mm crystal rondelle beads in scarlet. Oh, these are pretty. You can see all the shimmer on these. Moving them around. Wow. Very pretty. Nice long strand. This screams Valentine's Day to me. Number 13 is 4-piece of 16.5x9mm floral man-made coral barrel beads. Ooh, these are pretty. The little rose on them. Very pretty. Okay. Number 14 is a 20-piece 8mm 4-petal bead caps. Oh, these will be gone too. Oh, these are pretty. Let me see, turn some of them over frame so you can see them. Yeah, they're very pretty. Okay. Number 15 is a 20-piece 8x4mm crystal faceted rectangle beads in vintage rose. Oh, very pretty. You can see how sparkly they are. Holes are very nice on them too. Very pretty. Something different. See, now I kind of see these more with this, kind of separate from the red stuff, but who knows? We'll see what I come up with. Number 16 is a 25x15mm faceted quartz teardrop pendant in dyed raspberry. This is pretty. The hole's a little, but I have, I usually when I have these, what I do is I take, I don't know if I could do it with this if it's too big. I do have other bead caps too, but a lot of times I'll take like this and I will put it like that, and it just dresses up these little teardrop beads, and then I'll put metal through that to hold it up. Put a jump ring through that. I'll show you after I make some stuff. Number 17 is a 7-inch strand of 8mm crackled agate dyed heated round beads in cherry red. Oh, these are pretty. Very pretty. The holes look pretty good too. Yeah. They're like a rustic looking. Which copper is kind of a rustic color to me, so they'll go good with that. Okay, number 18 is 10-piece, approximately 10 millimeter enamel coated glass beads in pink cream. These are different. Okay. There we go. These are pretty. Very romantic looking. Kind of got that little boho feel to them. The holes on them are really nice too. Very pretty. That was 18. Number 19. Oh, these are so pretty. I love getting these. A 7-inch strand of 3x2 garnet finely faceted rondelle gemstone beads. Oh, I love these. You can see the shimmer on them. So pretty. I use these up just as fast as I use up the bead caps and the spacers. I never have any left of these. Number 20 is a 26 by 30 millimeter carved rose man-made coral pendant. Ooh. Very pretty. Very pretty. Oh, I like this. This is definitely Valentine's Day. Nothing says I love you like a red rose. And number 21 is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter purple aventurine round beads. These are pretty, but they're not purple. They almost look like a mocha colored. Kind of remind me of coffee with a little bit of creamer in it. Some of these are a little warmer tone. Some of these are cooler tone. Very pretty though, but they don't look purple to me. None of them do. They don't even have a purple hue to them at all, but they're gorgeous. I mean, I will definitely use them, but they're not purple. But yes. So these, I love this box. This box is so pretty. Very pretty. I will definitely be putting all these to good use and showing you all my goodies that I made from it. I have a really cool idea for this. I'm gonna have to think about this for a couple days. I kind of open these boxes up and then put everything in my mental Rolodex and then get some ideas in my head and then start creating. So thank you for tuning into my channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it, and also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments how you like this and if you'd like to see any other types of videos. I know a few of you had mentioned some memory wire bracelets, because I do make a lot of them, so I've got some of those planned up this month into next month. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and the links are below, and I also have my Etsy link below if you want to follow me on that. So thanks again, and see you soon in my next video. Have a great day.